Hello everyone, I'll be walking you through the price action analysis of Bank NIFTY Futures 8th October 2015. This dark red line is yesterday's low, yesterday's high is somewhere up that you cannot see. Price opened above moving average somewhere in yesterday's range and started moving down immediately. You can see this big bar when bears controlled it or owned it. Okay, and you see a close which is below the 50% of the range. Okay, so it was a strong close from the bears perspective. So immediately upon this kind of a bar, what I start anticipating is the bar one trade, which is basically if I want to take a shot, I want the shaved top, wherein I did not want to see any chance for the bulls to be given, and bears driving it uh, completely, and then I want to see some tail at the bottom. Okay, I prefer this kind of setup beyond yesterday's range, which is above yesterday's high or below yesterday's low, depending upon whether it is long or short, doesn't matter actually. uh, but this is a big bar, very big range bar, and that is something I want to avoid. I don't want to get into a trade which will most probably fail immediately, or there could be a pullback which could hit my stop loss. So I avoided this bar one short at the close of this bar. It did go somewhat to a distance, but I did not want to get into this trade. Okay, bar two, this is a bearish bar, so, and side bar. So I placed a short trade opportunity if this particular bar 3 goes up and fails above bar 2 high, right? Now what you see here is bar 3 is a strong bar. The bulls bought a close of bar 2, and it did close at its high or near its high. Okay, and then you see this bar 4. So this is a overlap between bar 2, 3 and 4. Okay, all three bars within uh, a certain range, right? And then bar 5 is coming down again. Bears sold the close of bar 4, and price came down. Okay, I placed a short below bar 2 as mentioned few seconds back, which is considering that these bulls are getting trapped. Okay, so that short entry got triggered on bar 6. Unfortunately, it couldn't do much. Price couldn't go much distance, and it came back up immediately, and the price closed at its high. So I entered basically 17,600, so 17,599 point something, and this price went up high 607.6. So my stop loss was not hit yet, but it got hit in bar 7. Okay, so price poked about this bar and try to go down below this. You see this low is 17,596.9. This low is same, and this low is also same. So you could see that what you see here, this overlap here, price poked about this bar and failed. It came down and poked below this bar 2's low, and it's failing here. 3 bars having lows at exact same price. So that means bulls are not letting it go below this level. So possibly a trading range price action uh, developing, and bulls are buying here. Okay, this bar couldn't manage to get past bar 7 high. Bar 9 is an inside bar. Okay, bears trying to push, but again bulls bought. What's the low of this bar? Low is 597.6. So this time it is a bit higher than these 3 bar lows, right? And it basically trapped some of these bears, and it turned out to be an outside bar. But this is a trading range price action. Nothing much is happening. My stop loss got hit on the short trade. Bears couldn't do much damage here. Bulls took charge, and it pushed prices up about this area. But what do you see? Bar 11, even though it was a follow through for bar 10, bar 12 immediately bears came into picture, and the price is failing here. Okay, bar 12 is a failure about this area. So price poked, failed, price poked and failed, price poked and failed. So trading range price action is being exhibited. But this is a bar with basically close near its not near at the midpoint, so I did not want to get short. I wanted a better bar and a better failure here. This is an inside bar 13, so bulls were not able to manage anything here. Bar closed bearish, but with the tail on both the sides, so that's why I skipped this. Possibly some aggressive traders shorted it here, considering this as a trading range price action, and they got a nice pull, but I missed it. Okay, you could see that this 1 2 3 4 bars continuously is what one could manage if they shorted it here below bar 13 low, considering this is a failed breakout and a trading range price action. So I did not do anything here. Bar 17, it tested bar I mean yesterday's low close. It did not go below it, and then you see bar 18, some support by the bulls to hold the ground. Bar 19, just a few ticks above, or approximately point or maybe few points above, and failed to close above bar 18 high. So it's a weak attempt by the bulls to go past bar 18, even though this is a strong bar with close being at its high. But what do you see? A weak response by the bulls. There's no follow through. The moment I see this, and then you see bar 20, immediately bears sold the close of this bar. They did not allow any chance for the bulls to go up. No tail here. So the price was driven or controlled by the bears. So you go short below bar 18 low. Now this is very close, almost yesterday's low. So a possibility of a failed breakout here. But looking at this price action and looking at this trading range being broken successfully, I expected at least a second leg. Okay, and hence placed a short order below bar 18 low, which is basically 17,560, right? Entry triggered on bar 21, nice strong entry bar, and you got the 30 points on the entry bar itself, right? So you book that and move the stop to break even for the remaining price, right? Remaining position, right? And the price came back up, right? Came back up and hit the break even stop during somewhere here, and I got out. Okay, now you could see that this even though bulls managed to get 4 consecutive bars here closing positively, but it failed at yesterday's low. So this is proving to be a resistance, right? And some aggressive traders must have shorted it here again, and it continued to go down. But I did not find any opportunities here. This was a possible trap short, but it was basically beyond the 30 minutes time frame that I track, which is it's starting at 9:15 in the morning till 9:45. I don't want to take any chances here, so I did not go short here. Okay, so basically took 2 trades here. First one got stopped out minus 10 points. Second one part profit booked in 30 points. The remaining part position was stopped out at break even. Okay, so possibly I mean approximately at least 20 points were available, right? Depends on your position sizing and all that. Okay, so that's it for today. These are the 2 trades that I could find in the morning session, 30-minute session. I hope it helped.